Do you guys see that? It's literally embarrassing how gross my room is right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm McKenna. If you're not new here, you know that I literally haven't posted in like 10 months. And you guys are probably wondering, McKenna, where the hell did you go? The short answer is I'm mentally unstable. The long answer is I'm extremely mentally unstable. That would be part of the reason that my room is literally atrocious. I usually keep my room fairly clean. Obviously, it's not right now. I was going through a huge depressive episode and it's time to fix my life. I've had zero motivation to clean my room, but I impulsively got rid of my dresser and now have a cubicle, and obviously that is not enough space to fit all of my clothes. So I bought a second cubicle, which would be right there, and it just came in yesterday. So in this video, I'm literally going to be going through like all of my clothes. I'm probably not going to be selling any just because I literally like just went through all of my clothes and like donated and sold a bunch. It's probably going to be just me sorting it and deciding what drawers it needs to go in, or if it needs to go in my closet, whatever. I'm not going to vacuum till tomorrow because this is a clean with me at 2 a.m. video, and that would just be unreasonable because I have neighbors and my mom and grandma both live with me and I'm not trying to keep them up. Currently it's only like 10:30 p.m. but I'm starting early and then I'll probably finish by like 2 or 3 a.m. So technically we're not starting at 2 a.m. but it's the thought that counts. I do, however, have to give credit where it is due. I completely 100% snatched this idea from the one and only maiphmy, the clean with me at 2 a.m. queen herself. I have had no motivation to do this, as I said earlier, so I figured I'd turn it into a YouTube video to make it a little bit more fun. It's kind of embarrassing though because I'm showing off my messy room to all of my YouTube subscribers. Anyways, yeah, I have some half-drank Dunkin' coffee. So yeah, I guess without further ado, let's get the show on the road. Okay, so first things first, I have to take my clothes to the laundry downstairs, and then I'm gonna start working on putting together the other cubicle. Okay, so I'm back. I had to switch camera angles a little bit so you guys could see what's going on a little bit better. Basically, I'm gonna open this bad boy up and try to figure out how to put it together all by myself because I am an independent woman. There is no way I'm gonna be able to put this together by myself. This is all the like screws and crap that goes into it. Pray for me. Because it was making me really hot, so if the lighting isn't as good as it was in the beginning of the video, I'm so sorry, but you are just gonna have to deal with it for now. Look at me adulting and, you know, being independent. Like I said earlier, I got really hot, so I turned my fan on, so if you can hear that when I talk, just pretend like you don't hear it. Okay, so basically, I turned off my camera so that I didn't waste too much space, but I finished it. I had one little accident. Other than that, it's perfectly fine. I'm gonna go switch my laundry and then see what else I can do in my room. Kind of ashamed to say this, but it's like 12:30 now, and I finished this like 45 minutes ago, and I got distracted playing on my phone. So it's time to get back to work and stop getting distracted. So I'm gonna move all of that stuff in that corner over there and then put the cubicle over there, and then I'll go from there. Cue the time lapse. Okay, so quick little update. I got the other cubicle there. Now I'm going to pull out these drawers and I'm gonna reorganize what's in these drawers, and then get my new drawers ready as well. They didn't have the same color that I already had, so I just got some black ones. Hopefully it doesn't look too ratchet, but I don't really care. This is what it's looking like right now. I'll kind of give you like a little tour of what I did. So down here I've got sweatshirts because they were just kind of sitting in this corner behind a pillow. We're not going to talk about it. Here I have like the jeans and shorts that I don't wear as often, my pajamas, and then I have like regular shirts, like t-shirts, and then here is like my like bralettes and stuff like that, stuff that you probably shouldn't see. Here I have the pants and shorts that I wear way more often. Here we've got some like sweaters and stuff like that, which I never wear, but I hold on to them because I'm a hoarder. Here I have my bathing suits, but they've always been there, and socks, they've always been there too, my perfume, all that. This is an empty drawer that I'm probably gonna fill when I go downstairs and get my stuff out of the dryer. Also, sorry if you can hear my fan again, it got hot. And then in here we have more shirts, but these are like tank tops. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these 3 cubes yet because the top 3 have absolutely nothing in them, but I'll probably figure that out shortly. So I'm gonna go downstairs and see if my stuff in the dryer is done, and then I'm gonna throw some stuff away because I have a lot of trash in here, and then I'm gonna keep working. So I will be right back. So I just got my laundry, which is right there, and I used the restroom. I grabbed a snack, I grabbed some chips. I'm gonna sit down and eat those for just a few minutes, and then I'm gonna get back up and organize my clothes some more. I'm probably gonna take some things from my closet and put them into the drawers because I actually have enough space to do that now, because I had to stick some things in my closet that were in my dresser when I only had 1 cubicle, but now I have 2. So yeah, that's kind of the update for right now. Folded. Now I just have to separate them into their drawers, and I'm gonna pull a couple things out of my closet, put them into their drawers, and then I'm gonna work on everything else that doesn't have to do with these. Okay, this is the part where I pull stuff out of my closet to put in my drawers. Now I have literally so much extra closet space that I have no idea what to do with. Like, getting cubicles instead of a dresser was hands down the most genius idea I think I've ever had. Now I'm gonna pull out some hangers and hang a couple things up that need to be hung up and go from there. Grandma who crocheted me the Harry Styles sweater. Obviously it's not exact, but like pretty dang close. I only crocheted a couple of these squares because I do know how to crochet, hence the yarn in my closet. So yeah, she's literally the coolest grandma ever. Look at how cute this thing is. Okay, so I finished like all of my clothing stuff, like my cubicle and my closet and everything. I just went to the bathroom and washed my face, which is why my hair is up. I'm gonna finish my skincare routine and then I'm gonna get back to cleaning my room. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys like a little overview of what it looks like now. Okay, so over here, obviously we still have a little bit of clutter going on, but in the next few like weeks or so, I'm gonna be working on that and working on like organizing everything. The floor, I can actually like walk over here now. I couldn't do that earlier. I still have the basket in my room because I don't want to take it out right now because I don't want to make a bunch of noise, so I'm gonna take it out in the morning. I made my bed. I think it looks nice. I keep a lot of like throw blankets and stuff like that on my bed, but I'll be changing that out very soon, probably before Thanksgiving, to be honest, to a Christmas one, and I'll probably put like a couple throw pillows for Christmas because I love celebrating Christmas, and I feel like you don't get enough time to celebrate Christmas if you start celebrating after Thanksgiving. So I start celebrating a little bit early, so I'm probably gonna switch the throw blanket out soon and some of my decorations. So if you guys want to see like a decorate for Christmas with me video, let me know because I think that'd be really cool. Anyways, the time is now 3:20. I think I'm gonna get to bed soon. That was pretty much it. Cleaning my room at 2 a.m. Brought to you by my family because I would not have had this idea if I didn't watch her videos. So, if you guys made it this far, thank you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and if you aren't already, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, don't do anything. Hopefully I'll have another video up soon, so maybe see you guys next week or the week after or something like that. I have a couple videos planned, so hopefully that goes well. In other words, see you guys soon.